Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Now we will see how to edit an image by using this numpy module or this numpy package. That means we are going to convert our image into the array, and we are doing some operations on those arrays, and we are changing the image. That means we are going to editing the image. So we can create our own applications. So that means editing, photo editing applications by with the help of these things. So for that, first of all, I have one image that is some cat image. Okay, this is the original image. Now first of all, yeah, this much space is extra here. I need to crop the image. What is the actual meaning of the cropping of the image? As I already told in the previous video, this image is made up of lots of pixels, and lines are there, and columns, and each column going to represent one pixel, and one pixel is of 3 bytes, which consists of RGB. That means 8-bit integer to represent the RGB values. So here, and I already told the image dimension is given by height into width into 3. That means 3 is that RGB, so height into width into 3. So here, if you want to cut these portions, that means these portions, I need to crop the width. So for example, okay, first of all these things and even the editing, now we will going to do in Python by using this numpy. So I already shown you the this image. Okay, this is the original image. Let it be here. Okay, I'm going to open my command prompt, because I have to open my Python IDE in the desktop. That means I have the image in the desktop, so I'm opening my Python interpreter in desktop. If you are using the any other IDEs, make sure that your image is in that same directory. Otherwise, it is possible to get the image from the other directory also. I will tell that. So here, just open, I'm going to open the command prompt and cd desktop. Yeah, now we're in the desktop, and make sure that you already installed this Python image library and the numpy module or the numpy package. So otherwise you can just install it by pip install. Okay, then here I'm going to open my Python Python. Yeah, now I want the two libraries that have to be imported, same as the previous case, and I have to import all those libraries. So import numpy as np. Okay, this is the one I want. And another thing, in order to save the image and in order to convert the image into the numpy array, we need another that means small module, that is from Python image library. So PIL, Python image library. So from PIL import image. Okay, yeah, now it gets imported, and now I want that image. My image is in desktop. I want that image in this Python. So what can I do means, this is my variable to hold that image. So I'm going to use my variable as the IM. Okay, we will just use okay, original image. For that, o underscore, yeah, OIM. Okay, OIM means original image will represent like this. Okay, yeah, OIM means original image equals to, I'm going to now take that original image into my variable, that is OIM. So image image, that means I'm using this function image. Yeah, this image dot open, open. That means this is the module. From that, I'm going to use this open function, open, and here I need to provide the name of that image. We will check what the name of this image. This is cat.jpg. Okay, we need to just give here that name. Okay, in the quotes, cat, I'm going to give this as cat.jpg. Okay, now yeah, now OIM is the image. We can just check whether it is this image has the, that means this OIM variable has the image or not. When we just print this OIM, it will going to give pil.jpg image plugin. Yeah, something it will going to give, its size and all it will going to give. So mode RGB, then size it will going to give. That means this variable now has the image. Okay, now what we have to do means we need to convert this image into our numpy array. So for that, it is just like declaring the new array. It is like I'm going to call that as array equals to, okay, array equals to np dot array, np dot array, and yeah, here yeah, this np what we imported, and array is that function. Yeah, here I'm going to declare this as o array. Okay, that means original image array. O, okay, o array. O array equals to, O array means our original image array. Okay, O array equals to np dot array, and here we need to pass the our image, so that it will going to convert our image into the array. So what is my image? OIM, because here you can see OIM equals to image dot open. I need to give this variable. Now you can see O array, ORARAY. Now if we check O array, it is of data type all, or 8-bit integers, unsigned integers, and we can see the lots of values, that is the RGB, and it's in 3 dimension. We can see 1 bracket, 2 bracket, and 3 bracket. It means 3 nested brackets, 3 nested list. That means it's in 3 dimension. 3 dimension means it's in the format. What is the format of the image? As I told in the previous video, it is height into width into the 3. That means RGB values. That we can just check by using. Okay, now we have original array. So OARRY, original array dot shape. Then you can see this is of, it contains that means it is of height 1199, and width is 1200 and 3. That means it's in the sense, yeah, I'm going to show that in paint what it is actually we can understand from this. Okay, we need to understand like now what is this height is 1199. That means here is one big yeah, I'm going to show that. Yeah, here is my big box, and this is my image frame, that means outside. Okay, in that there here are lots of pixels. How that is arranged in the array means, here we have like small boxes like this. This is one box, and this one box, and this one box. Like this we have the boxes of 1199. That means 1199 boxes are there, and each box we have 1200 rows, like this, 1200 rows. Like this we have 1200 rows in one boxes, like this 1200 rows are there. So that we can just simply, yeah, we can check it by here. We can see from here to here it is 1200 rows are there. That means 1199 boxes. It is like, I think you understand, in the previous video I told how the array, how we can create the image by using the array, that I told in the previous video. In that I showed you how the array, that means the relation between this array and the image. Similarly, it is the exactly opposite of that. So here we got that array. Okay, yeah, I think you understand about this, and here we got our array. Now what I have to do means, in order to crop the width, okay, my original image is like this. Now we got the array of this image, and I need to crop this much. Okay, that means this 1199 will going to represent its height. Okay, this image height, this height is yeah, it is proper, but width, this much part is extra, so width will be represented by this 1200. So what can I do means, I need to use the slicing technique. So I'm going to use another variable, modified array. Modified array equals to yeah, modified array. In that, okay, we need to create the array. This is for just the format that I already told. Okay, here this is for the height. We need to we are not going to crop the height, so we need to remain this height as a same thing. That means 1199, and here we need to crop its width. So what we have to do for that, this is starting from 0 and it will end at 1200. So we need to just crop that. So here instead of 1200 I'm going to give now this as 1000. Okay, we will just check. I'm going to this as 1000, and here I need to equalize this to yeah, equals to and here 1000. Okay, m array of no, not here. This is like this because it is the new array that we are creating. Here I need to give equals to original array, and here which is starting from, that means we need to provide its all 1199 data to this, and comma and another in 1200 we need to just give until 1000. We need to give until 1000. Now what's that? M array is not defined. What it's showing, M array of yeah, I think it is not like this. We need to just close this. Yeah, now M array is just a variable because we not declared the array, so we need to just give like this. M array equals to original array, which is we need to transfer all its columns. That means all its those boxes, big boxes that I transferred, and here in the yeah, here what we did means we transferred all these boxes now, because here starting from 0 to end, that means all 1199 will get transferred here. The height is the complete height. We are taking the complete height of the original image, and width has to be reduced a bit. Width is total 1200. Okay, from 0 to 1200. But here what we are doing means from 0 to 1000 only 1000 we are giving, so the remaining part will get cut. That means we need to crop that portion. So now we will check whether it's proper or not. So for that yeah, now if I check MARRY MRA, then what's that name? MRA is not ARR. Yeah, it's the spelling wrong. MRRAY. Okay, now if we check it, we will get that array. That means now it is the modified array, and here in this array, as I already told, if I check the shape SHA, okay, yeah, what's that? M array, MARRAY, M array dot shape. It is 1900. There, yeah. When we compare this to the original array, OARRAY dot shape, we can see this. The height is same, but the original array's width is little bit more. But here it is we cropped that, and remaining things are same. We just cropped the little bit width. That means we cropped here instead of 1200 rows. What I told, the width is representing by these lines. That means here lots of lines are there. These are the rows. Initially these rows are in each boxes. There are totally 1199 boxes. In each these boxes there are 1200 rows. But we now just cropped those rows into 1000. Instead of 1200 we made 1000. And remaining things, RGB values, that everything remains same. So now we have this array, that is the modified array. Now we need to create the image back. That means from that array we edited, now we just cropped that image. In mobile and all, we are going to crop that image. How it is actually going to work means we can just do that in Python. Okay, so we can write even small function for it, and when we send the that means when we send the image, that will going to crop like that. That also we can do. So now we need to convert this modified array into reback. That means we need to just convert that back to the image. Okay, that means our modified image. So for that what we have to do means okay, my image, I'm going to call this as my variable. Okay, my image equals to image. This is the module that we imported from Python image library. Image dot from from array, and here we need to pass that array. Our array name is marray. Okay, our array name is marray. So marray. Yeah, now our image is in our variable my image, and now I need to get this image in the desktop, or just for a time being I need to get that image in the desktop. So what I have to do means image, that means image image dot save. Okay, my image. I need to call the my variable is my image dot save, and here I need to give the name that I want to save. I'm going to call this as yumcat. That means modified cat dot jpg. Okay, now it gets saved. Now we can see that in the desktop we have okay, I'm going to just minimize this paint. This is our original. Here you can see cat.jpg, and here we have this modified one. Now we can see the difference. Here it is actually some large portions are there, but we just cropped that. Okay, we can crop similarly in the from the above also. So for that what we have to do means here I'm going to now this one, where is that? O array, original m array equals to and here also if I want to crop, that means from height I want to crop, means I need to crop in these boxes I showed you. If I want to crop the height, then I need to delete this complete boxes. If I delete this box, then I will get that means reduced in the height. So what I have to do here, actually it is of size 1199. So what I am doing means above also I am going to crop little bit, and below also I will go to crop little bit. So this is from starting from 20, and here I'm going to use this as 1180. So here we cropped the 19, and here we cropped 20. That means some values we cropped, some boxes we cropped. And now what's that? Could not be broadcast input array from shape into actually what we did, it is 1160. Why it's giving that? We will just have to check original array. So o array dot shape, we'll just check the shape. It is 1190 and 1200 and 3. And now here we have m array equals to original array, and it is from 20, that means starting from the 20 and 1180. What it's giving? Could not broadcast input array from shape. What is giving? Original array, I think it is proper now. It has to give. We'll check value error, why it is giving like this. We'll check shape 1000 to 1160. I think we need to use the different variable. I think we'll just use the different variable. I'm going to call this as c equals to, okay, c is my array variable. C, I think here this has to be not there. That's why it is giving like this. We just tried like this. As I already told, we should not use like this. Okay, this has to be not there, because it is also possible in m array, but here this has to be not there. It is just a variable. We are going to assign these lots of values to the just variable. Here we not use that array notation. Okay, so now if I click enter, I pressed 1. Now it's proper. You can see now it's proper. M array equals to we just cropped the height, and even we just cropped the width. Okay, now it's proper. You can see that here if we put the bracket and write something, that will give us the error. So now again I want to save this. So for that my image equals to image.from array m array, and I need to save this as what is that? Okay, here I have my image.save mcat.jpg. It will going to override that old image. So this I need to close, and when I see this now, here we can see it is here the year is complete. but here it is a little bit cropped, and here also the downside also is cropped, and this side also it is cropped. So by this we can crop the image. And what if we want to change the color of this? I want to change this little color of this cat. So for that, what we can do means we will just okay, now here is our array. Where is that? Here is our array, and this has to be not there. So yeah, m array equals to this we cropped. Okay, then yeah, this is for cropping. Now what I have, m array dot shape. M array dot shape is 1160, 1003. This is the height, and this is the width, and this is the that means the value, RGB value, that's going to represent the color. Now if you want to change the color of this, that means I want to change the color of this cat, then I need to change that RGB values. Actually, how it is there? I'm going to print this array. In this, here we have lots of boxes, that means many boxes. I'm going to show with this live example. D equals to np dot zeros, and here I'm going to have this as okay, 2 3 comma 3 comma 2 comma, here we have 4 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, that means 3 dimension, and which are of data type dtype equals to np dot unsigned int of 8-bit. Okay, now if we check the D, it is like this. Now for a time being, I created very small 3-dimensional array just to visualize how this is there. Again, here this main box, okay, here we have one big box, that is a D, that's called as the D. Inside the D we have this is one box, and this is another box, and this is another box, and this is another box. So the 4 means if we check the D dot shape, I'm going to check its shape. Here we can see the 4, that means its height is 4 now, so it is showing here 4. And here we have the 4 big boxes. Okay, then this is 2 is representing the width. That means in each box we have 2 rows. This is 1 row and the row, 1 row and the row, and 1 row and the row, like this, 2 rows. And in each row we have the 3 elements, that is representing the RGB values. Okay, so now if I want to access for example, if I want to okay, what I'm going to do means D and here like this, okay, comma, and like this. That means I'm going to change all its elements to something called 3. I'm going to change that to 3. Now if we check the D, all are 3. Okay, now I want to change only this one, only this values, that means RGB. I need to change the blue values of this complete image, so this blue. Okay, so for that RGB in that so what I have to do means, now this column will represent the its height, that means it is of 1 2 3 4. So now I selected all these boxes. Okay, we can select, for example, now if I want to select from 0 to where is that, I'm going to select this from 0 to 3 is excluded, that means now we'll select 0 to 2 is excluded, that means now it selected this box and this box, 2 boxes. And here I'm going to select the rows, which rows I want to affect. Now I want to affect all the rows. Okay, this row, this row, this row, this row. I need to change these values 3 3 3 3 in the first 2 boxes. In all the rows I need to change the 3, this value 3 3 3 3, that means the value which is in RGB B position. I need to change this to some other values so that I can change its color. So now from 0 to nothing is there, that means it will going to select all the rows in these 2 boxes. And comma, I need to select the column. This is the 0th column, first column, second column. So second 2, that is equals to, instead of 3 I'm going to write now 100. Okay, now if I click the enter and if I check the D, then you can see this becomes 100, 100 and 100 and 100. Similarly, we can change this also. We can change even this also. Now if you want to change in this box, if you want to change this one and this one, then how this slicing going to work? So for that I'm going to use from 2 until end. That means 2 is included, 0 1 2, this 2 is included till end. That means 2 3 will get selected. Now these two boxes are selected, and in that all the rows are selected. Okay, all the rows are selected, and if you want a particular row, this row or this row, then you can just here also use the slicing. And here if I want this, that means 0, it is at the index 0 0, that is equals to 50. Now if you click the enter and check the D, it is 50 50 50 50. I think you have understand how to access the particular place in this arrays in 3-dimensional array. So now actually I have marray dot shape. This is now our array, that means our cat image. We just cropped that, that's why it is a 1160 instead of 11 something 1290 something is the original. array dot shape. Okay, this is 1199. This is our original image that I showed you the first, and this is our cropped image. Now I need to change the color in the cropped image. So what I have to do means marray, okay, marray, and here we need to start the slicing now. So here 1160 is that, this is the height. So I want a half height, okay, half this much one color and above half some other color. So what I have to do means I'm going to call this as like how much 6 means 500 500 and 80. 580 is the half, 1160, half is 580. So so what I can do means it is starting from 0. Okay, I'm just using this format now. Yeah, here it is starting from 0 and till the end, that means 580. Okay, this was selected. Now we selected the height, and yeah, half height. I have the color. I need to just change the color. So I'm not affecting this row, because row has to be same. And here comma RGB B value I'm going to alter now. Okay, so here what I can do means 2 that is equals to here also we can use the slicing. That means here it has it can take the values 0 1 or 2. If you want to change 2 rows, then you can do like that. We will make that soon. Now I'm going to only change the one value, 0 1 2. That means the B value I'm going to change, and here I'm going to change that to something like okay, 120. I'm going to change all the blue, that means the blue color. It is in combination RGB. Here you can see in the original array, when we check, it is in RGB combinations. Now I'm going to make that B as 120. All anywhere it is B somewhere other value, I will going to convert that to the 120. Okay, now I'm going to click the enter. Now if we check the marray, what I'm going to tell means why it is not changed. It has to change. Yeah, we changed only the first half. Okay, yeah, here you can see 120 120 120. We only change the first half and the other half remains the same. Okay, now what I'm going to do means I'm going to save this. We will check what it affects the image. So marray, and to save this as mcat.jpg. So I'm going to check my mcat now. This is the yeah, here I have this is the original image. Yeah, this is the original image, and here we have our modified image. We can see the above half, the color, you can see the above half gets changed its color. So by this by adopting this, we can even by selecting the small arrays, you can even add it. That means you can change the background or whatever we can do. This I selected some light color. Okay, this is because 120 means it's light, some not light color. We can even what now what I'm going to do means we will just do like where is that MRA and where is that not this one. Okay, I'm going to edit that. So yeah, we're going to write this again. It is searching is difficult. So what I'm going to do means MRA of here I need to edit that. So remaining half we need to select. First we selected till I just forget that shape, MARAY dot shape. Okay, it is 1160, that means 580. Till 580 we already edited, that means some color we added. So now what we will do means we will just do MRA and here from, okay, like this I'm going to write that format, and here from 580 till the end, and here all the rows. Okay, all the rows I'm going to select, that means width, all the widths, and here comma, and now here I'm going to use again the slicing from 0, that means from 0 to end. I'm going to completely change all the RGB values. Now RGB completely I'm going to change. Let's see what it will happens now. RGB I'm going to change, and that's equals to okay, for 100 comma 130 comma 140. Okay, now we changed RGB values. Now MRA when we see 100 130 140, that is the half, remaining half, and the first half remains the same, that is 210 218. Yeah, there are lots of values here, you can see. That means each pixel is of different color. Now if we check, I think that cat is half a portion of that cat is, I think it will gone. Now we'll check what it will happen from MRA and to save this. So where is that MRA.mcat. Oh, now if we check that mcat, not this one, this is the older one. Here we have yeah, I already told this half portion will gone, because we changed all these colors to some other colors. So if we do like this, we will just destroy the image. Instead of that, what we can do means yeah, we'll just go to there and okay, original MRA equals to, I need to again just use the original array. So MRA equals to ORA and here which is yeah, I just forget the shape of this original array, OARAY dot shape. Yeah, it is 1010. Yeah, here MRA equals to okay, what I have to do now, MRA equals to ORA and here, and to slice that. So it is from yeah, complete height and width we need to just crop a little bit. So it is from 0 till 1000. Yeah, 1000. Now we have our MRA. What we will do means MRA and here we need to just add some colors. Okay, like two colors we are going to add, and we will change that. So MRA height is complete and width also complete, and here what I'm going to do means I'm going to change only one values. If we change the 3 values, then complete it will go. So I'm going to change now 1th index. Okay, 1th index, that means the whatever the values in green, in green position, green portion. So that is equals to 140. I'm going to do some light color because if you make dark, then it will going to destroy our image. So 140. Now I'm going to save my image and yeah, save mcat. So now if we check our mcat and we can see, yeah, it is yeah, this much portion is gone. Why? Check this why it is like that. But yeah, I think this much portion it is taken that previous one. I think some error occurred while during here. I think something we made mistake. But here we can see that color, it is completely changed when we compare to this. So we can create even the negative images by using the text technique. We'll check that original array array whether any value is changed in this or not. I think yeah, this is proper. Original array is proper. Now we need to just use yum array equals to, yeah, it is like cropped, but what happened, we will just check my image. Yeah, so mcat.jpg. Now if we check the mcat, we will come to now. Why it is not updating? I think yeah, I think it is taking some cached values. So what we will do means we'll use some different variable now. Instead of this yum array, I'm going to just use c equals to original array. Yeah, like this. Now if we check the c, this is yeah, now I want to save this instead of this c, and to save this. So yeah, here instead of mcat, I'm going to use now ucat. Okay, I'm going to save this as ucat.jpg. So here I have that image, ucat. I think yeah, this one, ucat. No, why it is showing like this? I think it is not taking that. We alters in something in this original image, I think. So that's why it is taking like this. We'll delete these two things, and we'll just this cat image, cat.jpg. Yeah, it is proper. We need to just import that image from the beginning. So what I have to do, image I am equals to image.open, and yeah, I remembered something, image.open, and here if our image is in the other directory, then I can just do like this. Okay, in commas, in the double quotes, I need to specify which directory, and here I need to specify its path. Here we need to give the path. For example, now I have this same image, cat.jpg. I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to the file manager, and here I'm going to have that in something yeah, here in 2. Okay, here I'm going to have that in 2. Here you can see that. So I need to just copy its path, cat.jpg, in f directory. I selected it and copied this, and cat.jpg, that I need to specify here, control V, and here cat.jpg. I think now it's going to, yeah, it's successfully imported. That means we can even get that image from the different paths. Okay, image.open. Then what we have to do, I need to convert this image array dot yeah, array equals to np dot array, and here I need to give im. Okay, now our array contains the image, that means image data. Now what I have to do, array, and here and to array.shape, we'll just check its shape, and we need to just edit its color. So array, and which is starting from that means column is selected, row is selected, and here just we need to change its color. So 2 equals to something called 155. Okay, now I need to save this. So for that what I have to do, okay, our image, I'm going to call this as I equals to image dot from array, and here I'm going to specify that array, that is array array. Yeah, now I have the image, I is now image. This I need to save. So I dot save, and here the name has we need to give the name. Now we just specify that path. Okay, in that path only it is going to we will check whether it is going to save or not. I think it is not the right. We will just check where it is going to save. So here I'm going to save this as hi.jpg. I think it's saved in desktop or in F. We'll check. Yeah, it's saved in that same directory. Okay, it's saved in the same directory. That means we need to just go to the directory, this PC, and here where we from here we can see that hi.jpg, it is there. So this is what our image we edited. Yeah, it's looking cool when we compare to where is our original image. I think this is not this the this is our original image, and this is what we edited. That means it's like something in more sunlight. Okay, more sunlight we can see. So I think you have understand about this. I'm going to just make this screen, and here I'm using this. So I think you understand about this. I will just make like this. Yeah. Here I need to change now. Okay, where's that? Yeah, here instead of 155 I'm going to use now 180. Okay, I think you're understanding how this color is going to change. We will change even the 2 to 3 colors. Yeah, hi.jpg. Now this here we can see again we have this hi.jpg, and that we open. Yeah, now we can see it is a little bit the color is changed a little bit. Okay, yeah, this is we need to have the original. Where's my original? This is the original also, that we have in cat.jpg. This is our original. Where's that? Cat.jpg. This is my original image, and this is that edited one, and this is our file. Now what we will do means we'll just change instead of in some rows we change this. So from 0 to 600 we will change this to something called 144, and even from 600 till the end we will change this to something okay, what we'll do, we'll just type 90. Now we will check how it will going to gives us the image. I need to use like this, and I need to save this. What is that? Save. So I.save. Yeah, now I want to see that where it's going to change. So hi.jpg. Yeah, now we can see it's a little bit cool when we compare to this one. It means half of one color and half of another color. So we can just do like this addition or editing anything, and even the cropping, and we can just give the different colors. I think you've understand about these two things. Thank you.